الوضع صعب، لا تدخل مساعدات.
ما في المساعدات كلها نازلة تحت. المساعدات ما بيجوا للأمة ولا بيجي للشعب، كله للبيوت إلهم.
Since October 7th, 2023, Israel has facilitated the delivery of humanitarian aid into Gaza. Food, water, medical supplies, and fuel, all intended for the people of Gaza. But Hamas, a terrorist organization that controls Gaza, seizes this aid for its own use. They loot the trucks, raid the warehouses, and hijack essential supplies. Just a few days ago, footage once again shows Hamas stealing and diverting humanitarian aid meant for civilians. Far too often, civilians never see any of it. Hamas sells food at outrageous prices and keeps medicine for its fighters. Humanitarian aid becomes a weapon, stockpiled in tunnels and built on the backs of suffering civilians. Israel has warned the world, loudly and clearly, but the world looks away. The only real investigation conducted by the UN through UNRWA revealed that on November 16, 2024, 97 out of 109 humanitarian convoys were hijacked by Hamas operatives. This is the reality. Hamas does not protect the people of Gaza. It exploits them, it starves them, it oppresses them.
احنا في المخيم ما بخشش علينا.
هو يتم بيع هذه واغتنامها الى الاسواق التجاريه، السوق السوداء تباع هذه المساعدات.